Hey, I'm over here troubleshooting Maytag Neptune, and basically what I'm seeing here is there's a separate heater on the upper, separate heater on the lower. Ran through all the settings, energized everything. But what's kind of cool is you can go through the menu here, and then you can go ahead and choose what function you want to test. So like here, I don't know, I think this is cool. So there's a shaker feature up here for the shaker motor for the upper cabinet. So, so you can exit out of that and go to the different menus to start the different settings. So like that's heat lower. And then that way you just test it. But one thing I did find out here is, interestingly, I thought it had one heater on it. But when you go back to the diagram here on Repair Clinic, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a H1 heater right here, and then there's a where's my H2 heater? Then there is, right here. There's an H2 heater right here. So there's two separate heaters. So from all my diagnostics, this H2 heater, which is part of the lower cabinet, is the one that has an issue. So we're gonna write it up as a bad heating element.